Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about input by output paths and power distribution. Before going to the input by output paths and power distribution, let us know about what is the packaging in an integrated circuit. So the term package is a case that surrounds the circuit material to protect it from corrosion or physical damage, and also to allow from mounting of the electrical contacts connecting it to the PCB. What he is saying is it is going to protect the circuit from corrosion or physical damage, and also it will allow for mounting of electrical contacts connecting in the printed circuit board. So these are the some types of packages. The first one is a single inline package, second one is a dual inline package, third one is ceramic dual inline package, fourth one is glass sealed ceramic dual inline package, fifth one is a quadruple inline package, sixth one is skinny dual inline package, seventh one is a shrink dual inline package, eighth one is a zigzag inline package, ninth one is a molded dual inline package, and the 10th one is a plastic dual inline package. So these are the different types of packages. So as I repeat, the term package is used to protect the circuit material from the corrosion or any physical damage, and also use it to allow for mounting of electrical contacts connecting into the printed circuit board. So this is a definition of a package, or otherwise you can define the IC package with this definition. It is acting as an interface between the chip and the outside wall. It is also acting as an interface between the chip as well. It is acting as an interface between the chip and the outer wall. What this IC package is going to do? It is going to act as an interface between the chip and the outer world. The main properties of this package are electrical connection from chip to board, physical connection from chip to board, protection from high voltages which are generating externally or outside. Fourth one is a physical protection, and the fifth one is a thermal isolation. The main properties of this packaging are electrical connection from chip to board, second one is a physical connection, third one is a protection from high voltages which are applied externally, that is nothing but outside the wall, fourth one is a physical protection, and the fifth one is a thermal isolation. Next, requirements of this packages are, what are the requirements of this package? So the requirements of the packages are electrical, interface, mechanical, thermal, and cost. So these five are the requirements of this package. In going to the electrical one, capacitance, resistance, inductance, impedance tuning. So in going to the requirements of electrical, we require capacitances, resistances, inductance, as well as impedance tuning. In going to the requirements of an interface, it should have large number of input by output pins. Next, in going to the mechanical requirements of a package, it should have a die by bond protection and the compatibility with the printed circuit board. In going to the thermal one, thermal requirement of a package, heat should be removed. In going to the cost requirement, it should be a very low cost, as low cost as possible. We need to pack the integrated circuit with low cost. We need to pack the integrated circuit as low cost as possible. In that integrated circuit package, how the cost becomes very low means by reducing the fan and heat sinks, etc. If you are not using fan or heat sinks, I repeat, if you are not using fan or heat sinks in an integrated circuits packaging, definitely the cost of the packaging will be very low. So the most commonly types of packages used in integrated circuits are dual inline package, quad flat package, pin grid array, ball grid array. If you observe the quad flat package, pin grid array package, ball grid array package. So among these three, all these three, quad flat package, pin grid array, as well as ball grid array, these three packages will be used in manufacturing the motherboards in our laptops as well as in our CPUs. So if you see our motherboards, we can observe these type of packages: quad flat package, pin grid array, as well as ball grid arrays. So these three are the most commonly used packages in a in a designing the processing units. Next, in going to the IC2 package connection, there are two main approaches. First one is the wire bonding, second one is the flip bonding type. Second one is a flip chip bonding, first one is a wire bonding. In going to the wire bonding, all pads, what is the term pad we are discussing? The term pad is acting as an interface between the CMOS circuit and CMOS circuit in the integrated circuit to the outside world. These pads are acting as an interface between the CMOS circuitry in the integrated circuit to the outside world. So here all the pads are around chip edges, which is approximately equal to 100 micrometers pitch, and these are slow and serial bonding process, and the values of the RLC wires are also very high. If you see, some of the values have been written here. 5 nanohenry is the inductance values of the wire, and also 1 picofarad is the capacitance value here in wire bonding. And next, in going to the flip chip process, the pads will be on the top of an integrated circuit core. So let us take example. If this is a core, the pads will be in the top of the integrated core. So the pads will be at the top of this core, and it has high pin count. See here, it is having a high pin count. High pin configuration is there here. It is having high pin count, and also it has short by low RLC bonds. So if you see here, it is having high values of RLC wires, but in case of flip chip, the values of RLC are low in compared to the wire bonding. And next, this is a fast parallel bonding process. Bonding process in compared to wire bonding process. This flat chip process is a fast parallel bonding process, but it is very expensive in compared to the wire bonding process. So this type of packaging connection is very expensive. This type of packaging connection is very expensive in comparing with the wire bonding process. This is the figure shows the wire bonding process, and this is the figure shows the flip chip package connection. So in the next class we will discuss about the other types of input by output paths and the power distribution in it. So for any reference, please go through the textbook Digital VLSI designed by Ajay Kumar Singh. Thank you very much.